4 reasons you should install light wood floors in your home. Dear friends, the debate of light wood floors versus dark wood floors will always be circulating on the internet. Which color is more in style? What's easier to maintain? And what color will fit my style? These are the questions so many people are asking. The truth is that there is no absolute answer that works perfectly in every home, but when it comes to my preference, there is a clear winner in my thought. Light-colored hardwoods are the way to go. Here are 4 reasons why you should install light-colored wood floors in your home. 1. Scratches are less visible. This is one of the biggest benefits of light wood floors. Of course, all wood floors will dent and scratch, but light wood is much more forgiving when it comes to the visibility of scratches. Scratches in dark floors penetrate through the dark stain and expose the natural wood color underneath. This is especially an issue if you have pets. The source of a handful of scratches in the floors, but because our floors are light, the scratches are virtually invisible unless you look closely. If you have pets or rambunctious kids, go with light wood. 2. Versatile with many styles. Light wood floors are currently the color of choice in a lot of modern homes, but it's important to remember that light wood floors are also seen in traditional, industrial, farmhouse, and contemporary homes. Light wood floors are not a new concept. They've been around forever and they can look stunning with a variety of design styles. So, if you happen to change your style, or sell your home to someone with a different style than yours, the floors can blend easily from one style to another. 3. Dust is less noticeable. For those of you who aren't great at cleaning your floors regularly, light wood floors are a must. Dust almost disappears on light floors, whereas it's quite apparent on dark floors. 4. Makes your space feel brighter and bigger. If you want your home to feel bigger, you should incorporate light colors throughout. If you want the space to feel quaint, cozy, or intimate, you should use dark colors. The same goes for flooring. In general, light wood floors tend to make a home feel brighter, which ultimately makes it feel bigger than it is. Dark wood floors tend to make a small space feel even smaller. It's also important to note that if you ever plan on selling your home, people are more likely to be attracted to a home that feels spacious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.